Mrs. Preeti Bojak, HM at Cradle Joy Preschool, Tanvir, express my gratitude to our school management, to our teaching staff, to our admin staff and our support staff. I also express my gratitude to our parents and our little love students. Without the support of everyone mentioned here, it would have been difficult to overcome the challenges of the year 2020. It has been an extremely challenging year for each one of us, and we have all tried our best to overcome the unforeseen situation with patience, care and courage. I express my high respect to all the medical staff, the police personnel, the cleaning staff. They were involved in keeping the city safe. They have proved as true warriors, trying their best to keep us and the nation safe. We pray to the Almighty to give strength and support to all those families who lost their loved ones during this pandemic. On this special occasion of graduation, I proudly say that these little students have proved themselves equally like true warriors. Online learning at this early age was not at all easy for them to work with. Crossing all the hurdles of technical challenges, these children continued learning throughout the year. They were a true inspiration for teachers to encourage themselves to learn through the technology and to teach through technology. Our teachers have tried their best and made sure that the children's learning journey from home is productive and generative. Education is one of the most important things of everyone's life. Education makes us able to understand things more better that are around us. We learn to read, we learn to write, and we even learn to earn our living well if we are educated well. And so it is very important that education does not stop under any circumstance and at any age. During this pandemic, working together in partnership with parents, we have made and we have proved it that learning journey never stops. It is an extremely honorable moment for me to see our students graduating today. I wholeheartedly congratulate all these little warriors and bless them to achieve remarkable success in the years to come. I request all my teachers to share their thoughts with our students and on this special day.
Hi everyone, today is a very special day. Today we are celebrating graduation ceremony, right? We are excited that the year has ended and new year is beginning, but at the same time we are a little emotional that our senior KG class students will be leaving us, but yes, to expand their horizon and hone their skills. This year, though we could not meet you all personally, but virtually we all celebrated and gained knowledge together through online learning. My best wishes are with you forever. Keep gaining knowledge.
Hi children, I am Miss Manjusha. I joined Cradle Joy in March 2020. So we have not yet met personally, but I know you all virtually. As you cherish the fruits of your hard work, I wish you the success, whatever you do today forever. Your growing up has just begun. All the best children.
Hello everyone. As the year has come to an end, I would like to express my gratitude to each parent for being so cooperative with us throughout the year. The last day of school, the closing of one door and the opening of another. I want to thank each child for all the warmth, the memories and the learning that we have shared. This year it was very challenging for everyone. Still we managed to work together. I seriously missed little ones coming to school. I do remember arranging these kits during arrival and dispersal time during normal schooling. This year it was lovely watching them learn online. I will be missing each one of them. I would like to wish everyone good luck for the future. Love you all, stay healthy and keep smiling. Thank you.
Hello my dear kids, myself Miss Ranjumani Borwa. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. After a long time, today we are standing together again to say goodbye to each other. I still remember that first day when you come to join the playgroup class. In this journey, you have achieved a lot of good things from the teacher, which I am sure will help you to build your career and personality. Many of you come to school at the age of 2.5. From that day, time till today, a lots of learning you must have come across at Credo Joy. Being your playgroup class teacher, I will always share your little action and your tiny thoughts in playgroup. I remember how we all come to school with your parent and how you imitate calling your parent during the school time using small blocks and your ID card as a mobile. These were some funny actions that always try to be a good person, good human being. Always respect your parents and elder. My good wishes are always with you. Because of COVID, we are not able to meet physically. Hope we will get a chance to meet you soon. My best wishes are always with you. Thank you. All the best.
Hope you all are safe. I am glad to have this opportunity to express my feelings on the occasion of graduation day. Myself, Ms. Shalaka, says thank you to all parents for trusting me as a teacher of their child and also for the support. I thank each child for all the warmth, love and affection. I have watched you all growing and changing from day to day. I hope that all we have learned, all the things we have done, helped you in some small way. This year we faced a new challenge. A pandemic compelled and we are forced to stay home. Classrooms were empty, but still we laughed, we played and we learned. And we had a best time. Now, as you all are going in first grade, with a great hope and expectation, I wish you all good luck. I always cherish all the memories. Thank you and God bless you.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very good. Yes, I remember we met first time when you all were in class junior KG. Yes, in absence of Sheetal Miss. Okay, but in start it was very difficult to memorize your names. But later on we managed to know each other. Then again we came to know better each one of us at the time of picnic. Yes, it was an enjoyable day spent with you all. Then I got an opportunity to know you better as your Hindi teacher for class senior KG. Yes, kids, do you remember? I was laughing so loud and it was really a very enjoyable moment for me because it was a heart touching when I heard from you all Suprabhat Adhyapika ji. Yes, the word Adhyapika. I really meant that it touched my heart. As so many years I was used to hear good morning teacher, and when hearing from you all Suprabhat Adhyapika ji, ये मैं बहुत ही भावुक हो गई थी. It meant a lot for me. Yes. Dear kids, I just want to say, like जब मैंने देखा कि आप सब हिंदी विषय में इतनी रुचि ले रहे हो, अपने खुद के शब्द बना रहे हो, खुद के वाक्य बना रहे हो, मैं इतनी ज्यादा प्रभावित हुई कि जानकर कि आप सबको हिंदी विषय इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं बहुत ही खुश हो गई थी. जी हाँ. And I just want to say, dear kids, God bless you and you reach all the top success of your life. Yes, and a line for you all, my dear, that it is said like the smile of teacher reflects in the success of student. Yes, और मुझे अब ये बोलना है आप सबको, आज मेरी ये खुशी बयान कर रही है आपका पहला कदम सफलता की ओर. God bless you. Take care. Love you all.
हाय स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नाम वर्षा टीचर है. आप शायद मुझे कम जानते हो, लेकिन मैं आप सबको अच्छी तरह से जानती हूँ. मैंने आप सब के बारे में शीतल टीचर, शलाका टीचर, रंजू टीचर, प्रीति टीचर सबसे अच्छा सुना है कि ये पूरा साल ऑनलाइन क्लास थी, फिर भी आपने अच्छे से पढ़ाई की और आप पहली कक्षा में प्रवेश करने वाले हो और स्कूल छोड़कर जा रहे हो। हमें आपकी बहुत याद आएगी, तो हम सबको और क्रेडो जॉय स्कूल को याद रखना। ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय, सी यू, टेक केयर।
It's time to say goodbye. Year has come to an end. I have made many cherished memories and many friends. I have seen you learn and grow, and I have seen change from day to day. I hope that all the things we have done have helped you in some small way. I hope you won't forget me, and I'll always think of you and remember all the happy times and fun things that we did. I would like to dedicate one small poem to you all. It's time to say goodbye. Today our time together is done. We sang, we read, we learned so much. Remember all the fun. I have sent you on to sing some more. There is more to sing, it's true. You'll always be the part of me. I'll be part of you. I saw the smile grow on your face when you tackled something new. I watched as your sparkling eyes lit up. My eyes, they catch the shine too. I know you have hard work ahead with challenges all new. All that we have learned together last year will support you through and through. I send you on to read some more. There will be more to read, it's true. You'll always be a part of me and I'll be part of you. I wish you all well. I'll cherish you as you walk out the door today. You know you are everywhere you go. You are in my heart to stay. I'll miss you all a lot. I know it's time for the next steps, but I'll never forget you. Lots of love and God bless you.
Hello everyone. Today here I got an opportunity to say few words and share my thoughts with you. God has truly blessed you with unique talents, abilities, and you have used the gifts extremely well. Your positive attitude, your willingness to learn new ways all show just how much you have done God's gift. Here I want to say that the rooms were all empty, the toys put away. This isn't how we wanted you graduation day. A virus broke out, we had to stay home, but we all knew we weren't alone. In our short time, we laughed, learned and played. We had the best time and wish you could say. But you are growing up, you are getting so strong. For you keep learning, you must move on. You are going to first grade and though we must apart, you will always have a big piece of our hearts. So thank you and do well.
First of all, I would like to welcome dear parents for virtual graduation event this year. I myself, Ms. Danya Nair, being a teacher of Credo Joy team, want to thank you for each and everyone for sharing your children and entrusting them to us. Even though this year it was full of virtual learning, they have learned and grown so much during this time too. Although this beginning of the year it was very difficult for teachers, kids along with parents, but we built an exceptional bond between each other. I seriously miss all those cute gestures, sweet moments, spending quality time together by being in a classroom. But I can't believe these little munchkins are leaving us for good. We thank you for allowing us to be a part of your family during this time. Already I'm getting anxious, I'm getting emotional, I'm getting separation anxiety too. So we miss you all children more than you know. So here I am wishing all little ones to shine like a star. This whole sky is yours. So wish you all the best for great future ahead. Keep missing us, keep loving us. We all will be always a part of you. You all will be always a part of our fond memories and close to my heart. Thank you.
Hello kids. It has really been a joy and pleasure teaching you all during this year. And I'm really proud that I was your teacher and I was able to teach you throughout the year. And as we all know that throughout the year we all saw you grow, we all saw you learn, and we all saw you work so hard for all of your studies. So I really want to tell you that you all are really special. And most importantly, as we all know that in such kind of a pandemic situation too, we all had got a chance to learn so much during our online class. And trust me, every time spent with you all was like an adventure. And all of the moments spent with you all I will be cherishing throughout my life. And as you all know that the year has almost ended up, so I really want to tell you that each one of you all are really special to me. All of you are really close to my heart. So I really wish for an amazing life for all of you, and I wish that wherever you go you may find happiness and blessings. So I really want to thank all of you, and I will miss you all. Thank you.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव लक्ष्मी दीदी आहे.
माझं नाव चित्रा दीदी आहे.
माझं नाव मथुरा दीदी आहे.
माझे नाव नंदा दीदी आहे.
आम्ही 4 वर्षभर काम केले क्रेडोजॉयमध्ये. तुम्ही आता फर्स्ट स्टँडर्डला जाणार. आम्ही तुम्हाला कधी विसरणार नाही. तुम्ही आम्हाला कधी विसरू नका आणि अशीच खूप प्रगती करा आणि असेच मोठे व्हा. धन्यवाद.
Hello everyone. We are Dr. Ankur Bamne and Dr. Anjali Bamne, parents of Ms. Anaya Bamne. Our daughter is studying in DPS Credo Joy for the last 3 years, and currently she is in senior KG. DPS Credo Joy has a very safe environment for all the kids where they have female staff present with them at all times. The teachers are very caring, and they have a very good academic educational approach to teaching the kids various subjects. They conduct various group activities where the kids learn to get over their stage fright, their interpersonal relations. They get over all these basic fears at that particular age. They celebrate a lot of festivals. They celebrate almost all the festivals that we celebrate in our country, and they have various science exhibitions. They have excellent extracurricular activities like storytelling and dance, and there's a very constructive approach for the all-round development of the child. Currently, being in preschool, I see that this kind of approach is going to help my child during her higher studies and as she goes ahead in school. So I'm very happy with the entire curriculum in the last 3 years that I have observed, and I would recommend this school to everyone who is looking for a good all-round development for the children in preschool.
In this COVID situation also, they have been taking online classes right from the month of June itself, so that kids have not missed any of their academic activities. Even online they have celebrated certain days and festivals as well. An online assessment was also carried out, in which kids had like the real feel of being in an exam hall, and I'm sure all of the kids have done very well in that. This format of learning is really new both for the kids and the teachers as well. But I think the teachers have put a lot of effort into giving their all, so that the kids don't miss out on the learning. In the end, we would like to thank the founders, the principal, teachers, and all the non-teaching staff as well from DPS Credojoy Panvel for providing this wonderful opportunity for my daughter. Thank you.